at how deep it is. My truck's going.
This is crazy.
It's getting worse by the second. You may not. We may be some of the last people to get through this. Look at that truck up there.
I can't blame the cars for not wanting to go through.
Oh yeah. Look at this shit jetting down. It's like there must be some body of water up the hill. Although we've driven a couple miles now, and it's just constant. All these different spots, water is just pouring down. Where's it coming from? Look at this. It's taking on that sidewalk, coming across the road here. And here.
Oh, this is where
Oh,
I
this
thought
is
it
coming out fast. This is what flash floods are all about. Shit just comes fast.